What's up, guys? So today I'm going to take you to two of my properties and we're going to mow one. One I didn't get a whole lot of footage on. It was the property, the big property where the guy has that like military grade truck that he used to do lawn care out of. We're going to mow part of that, but I had a little bit of a camera malfunction, so you guys will see that. And then I'm going to take you to my next one, and then I have something I need to talk about. I'm going to talk about why you definitely have to be careful when you're out mowing and weed eating and stuff. And you got to watch what you're doing. So we'll jump into that later. So let's jump into today's video. Alright, so I don't know if you may or may not have already seen a video of mine recently that I've been uploading where I'm setting the camera on this side of the mower. It's actually attached to the deck, so you'll have to bear with me on some shakiness, and as you can see right there, because it sits so far out, it does smack on things and messes the camera up. So please forgive my newbie YouTuber, lawn care guy, whatever you want to call it. Please forgive a few mistakes that I make. And if you can bear with me on the shakiness, I am working on new better mounts that won't shake as much, and I won't be mounting it to the deck. So future videos to come, you may still see some shakiness as the camera will still be mounted to the deck, but very soon that will be changed and corrected, and I'll look like a little bit more of a big time YouTuber anyways. So coming up, you're going to see where the camera actually falls off of the holder on the mower, and it was actually a gap between the time that I realized that I dropped it and the time that it took me to find it. But you guys will see I'll cut out into the clip where I found it, and I stopped recording after that because then I realized that the camera holder that was holding the camera actually was broke, and that's the reason why it kept falling off. Don't worry, on future videos to come I have a better holder coming, so that won't be too much long before I actually have a good camera holder. Now after I pick the camera up, I'm going to jump to the next place where I'm mowing, and we'll do a nice little mowing section there. It's just going to be kind of raw footage, so comment below if you guys like that, or do you like music over top it. But I have several more videos coming on just raw footage and footage with music over top it. But as you can see right here, it got a little shaky and fell off. I do turn the volume down of all the videos that I make, so comment below and let me know if it's still too loud, as I know the mowers are very loud, but just comment below in case I need to do any more of that, and I'll try to adjust that accordingly. Now this yard actually goes way back for me and my company. I actually started doing this yard back in the fall time of, actually it was still technically winter time of this year. It was in February of 2020, which is when I officially started my lawn care company, officially on the books anyways. I got started back in November. It was really the beginning of December of 2019 when I got started doing it. And today, Junior. So anyways, this yard actually was one of the yards that I got going with my 33-inch Troy-Bilt mower, and I started doing leaf cleanups. This yard was covered. As you guys can see, there's a tree there to the right, and there's trees there to the left, and this is actually the yard. You may or may not have seen the video. I'm not sure if it's been uploaded yet. It probably has, but the video of where I asked you guys, when do you guys start charging more for the leaves? So this is actually that yard, so you guys know that there's quite a few trees in the front yard. So when I first came to this property back in February, there was leaves galore here. It was a big leaf cleanup, and that little 33-inch mower did really well. But it's kind of funny seeing the progression, because I came here, I got started with the 33-inch mower, and the house was rented out. Of course, this is a rental property, so I came back after the new tenants had moved out. Yeah, the new tenants had moved out. And now here I am doing it again with my brand new mower here. So it's kind of weird how things work out and things don't work out for you sometimes. But it's been a pretty good year so far for me. What's up, guys? So you guys definitely have to be careful with doing your string trimming or weed eating, whatever you guys call it. You need to be careful where you're whipping it around at. Let me show you. So I was doing my string trimming here and here, and all of a sudden I see that? That is a steak knife just laying there. And as you guys know, I don't wear pants when I weed eat. I just wear shorts. It gets too hot, I can't wear pants. There's a million different ways I could have went and made for a very bad day for me. I'm lucky I seen it and was very careful. I need to invest in those, I forget what they're called. They're like almost like leg sleeves that you put over your legs. and it protects you though, like trimmer or something or other. I forget what they're called, but I need to invest in a pair of those. So I want to know, have you guys ever found anything like that? Have you seen any? Has there ever been a knife, a needle, what have you found? I want to hear in the comments. Have you guys found anything while you're string trimming? Or you guys, I want to know if y'all had a problem where something has slung into your leg or whatever. Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.